The special grace of God, I've seen you hale and hearty. I will thank Almighty Allah for His grace upon your life and the people of Sokoto State. Secondly, we have come here today to commiserate with you and the good people of Sokoto State for what happened to innocent people of Sokoto State, where criminals came to attack the good loving people of Sokoto State and killed a lot of our people. Of course, what affects Sokoto State affects Rivers State. We have had a long-standing relationship. And so the people of Rivers State have told me to commiserate with you and the people of the state, like a believer, that Almighty Allah knows why, and there's nothing we can do. So we're sorry for what has happened, and we believe Almighty Allah will give the families that have lost their loved ones, give them the courage, give them the strength to bear this unnecessary loss of life. Most importantly, Your Eminence, the third one, is to sincerely thank you for the role you have been playing, for the role you continue to play in the stability of this country. You have been trying to stabilize all the religious groups, all the ethnic groups, to understand we have no other country other than one country called Nigeria. You have always spoken out, irrespective of whether it touches on Muslims, whether it touches on Christians, or whether it touches on those who don't have any religion. You have always spoken out. I have admonished government where necessary, in terms of insecurity, in terms of other crises, in terms of poverty. You have always spoken out. I have advised government on the best way and to try and see that things get better for the citizens of the country. That is what they call leadership. That's what they call a role of a father. In most cases, when I see on television, or sometimes in Abuja, one meeting to the other, it takes somebody who has the passion. It takes somebody who has a love for this country to play the kind of role you are playing. Each time you are called in one place, there is religious crisis. Each time you are called in one other place, there is ethnic crisis. Each time you call me River State, what am I hearing? You always want to give opportunity to hear from the other side. You have never heard something, and you accept based on what you heard and take a decision. I remember when there was an issue in my state, and when they complained to you, you have never said it is correct. You must find a way to reach me and say, look, what is happening? And by the time I explain to you, you will not say, you see, this is what is why people should always allow to hear the other person's view. It is rare. This character in you is rare. If all leaders can exhibit this kind of trait, this kind of character, they will have future. They will know that this is our country. Truly, we are going somewhere else. So you are exhibiting the character that leadership, that was expected of leadership. So we felt that, look, for somebody who's been doing this for the country, some people would have said, and what's my own? Yes, I'm Sultan. Yes, I have to put the models together. You are not the president of the country. But you have had sleepless nights talking to Christians, talking to Muslims, talking to the North, talking to the South, talking to everybody to see ourselves as one Nigeria. We said, we must commend you and encourage you. Do not say you want to withdraw. Continue, because it is the position God gave to you. I will believe that God is infinite mercy will continue to guide you, continue to protect you, and give you the wisdom and strength. You continue to speak for the oppressed, for the less privileged, for the poor of this country, and for the rich. Because you don't only speak for the poor, you also speak for the rich. Because in every society, you must balance things, and that's what you have been doing. So we commend you. I wish you a very good, prosperous new year. Tomorrow will be better than today. Today will never be better than tomorrow. God will not allow that. And that we expect good things to happen to this country come 2022. Better things come 2022 than as we move forward. On behalf of my delegation, we want to thank you for receiving us in spite of a short notice. It was in the night, just like my colleagues, my brother said. I called him. I said, look, let us, the year is ending. I've not seen the eminence. He said, but yes. I said, no, I can't come. Today I must come. If it passes today, it's New Year. So even if I visit you, say, but you didn't come last year. That's how I was going. So thank you, eminence, and may God bless you. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.